Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says, in a scale drawing, a tree is 24 centimeters and a bush is 2 centimeters. In reality, the tree is 48 meters tall. How tall is the bush? Well, you know I love to draw a picture. So I am going to draw my tree right here. And fun fact, I am actually a landscape architect, so I have done a lot of tree sketching during my time. And now I've drawn my bush, and also I have to label these, and I have 24 centimeters here and 2 centimeters here. Now, as far as the math goes, I like to write tree on the top and bush on the bottom, or whatever I'm dealing with. And I'm going to write 24 centimeters here, and I'm going to write 2 centimeters here. Now I know I need to set that equal to my new proportion because I'm trying to figure out the relationship between these two scales. So it says the tree is 48 meters, and having the word tree written here helps me because I know that the tree needs to be up top. If I were to write the 48 meters down at the bottom, it would mess up the problem. Now I'm going to put an X, or you could even put a question mark here because the question is asking us, how tall is the bush? Well, I want to keep that mystery item on the bush row, so that's the denominator. So it's important that you keep trees up top and bushes up bottom, or it could be the other way around. There's no right or wrong. Bushes could be on top and trees could be on the bottom. The most important thing is you stay consistent. Wherever something is, you need to keep it there the whole time. If we were to switch, that's where you're going to create a problem for yourself. So now to begin with, I'm going to convert because I can see I have different units. I got centimeters, and I got meters. I don't want that. I need them all to be in the same units. So instead of 48 meters, I'm going to make this 48 centimeters. And to do that, you can remember King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And I like to circle the B to represent the base because this works for any metric system of measure. So it could be grams, liters, meters, anything like that. So in this case, we're dealing with meters. So that means the B is our base. But if we were dealing with grams, like kilograms, the B would represent the gram. So in this case, I'm going to convert my 48 meters to centimeters, which means I need to move the decimal space 2 spaces to the right. So instead of 48 meters, I'm going to call this 4800 or 4800 centimeters. Now everything is the same unit. So now to convert, you have some choices. You can cross multiply, so you're going to be left with like 24x equals 4800 times 2. Or you could say, hey, to go from 24 to 48, what do I multiply that 24 by? I'm actually going to do that, which some people don't like or some people do like. Whenever I see the numbers are pretty easy to go from, I like to use it. 24 and 48 are really easy to relate. 24 times 2 is 48. So I know it's going to be 2 followed by however many zeros I have. So it's 200. So that's very easy for me to do. Now I know that I multiplied 24 by 200 to get to the 4800. So I need to multiply by 2. So that means I need to multiply by 200 down here at the denominator. So 2 times 200 is 400. So I know that x equals 400, but this is centimeters, and we should put our units back in the same way that they gave us. So that means we got an answer of 400 centimeters, but because they want to know how tall, it says in reality, the tree is 48 meters tall. How tall is the bush? They're also talking about in reality. So we could leave it in centimeters, but because they measured the tree in meters, I feel like it'd be better if we measured the tree in meters. So what we're going to do is just take it back 2 decimal spaces and go 1, 2, and that means the bush is 4 meters. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to Super Easy Math where you can get access to a live math tutor who can help you with all of your math needs.